What is a recession? A recession is defined as a drop in economic activity for 2 consecutive quarters or more, which leads to an increase in unemployment and decreased spending. Some common indicators of a recession include declining gross domestic product, GDP, decreasing wages, high inflation rates or deflation, and increasing unemployment rates. Types of recession. There are many different types of recessions that can occur at any point during the economic cycle. Inventory corrections, occurring when businesses attempt to realign their stockpiles with market demand. Debt deflation, which occurs when people reduce the value of their assets due to lingering debts. Financial crises, generally caused by weakened banks, and wage earners recessions, a decline in consumption caused by reduced income. What causes a recession? While there is no single factor that causes a recession, some of the key triggers typically include declining GDP, decreasing wages, high inflation rates or deflation, and increased unemployment rates. Economic recessions can have significant social and political impacts as well, including increased poverty, greater economic disparities between different groups, and even civil unrest. How long does a recession last? Typically, a recession will last for several years before it is fully overcome. However, government officials may implement various policy changes designed to stimulate economic growth in response to decreased consumer demand and rising unemployment levels. For example, they may invest money in infrastructure projects such as building roads or public transportation systems in order to create short-term jobs and encourage consumers to spend money. They may also offer financial assistance programs during recessions to help citizens weather the storm. These may include tax breaks or incentives for specific industries like energy or healthcare. What can you do? The best thing that people can do during a recession is to invest in assets that have the potential to increase in value over time. This could include investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or other types of financial instruments. Additionally, it's important to avoid spending money on unnecessary luxuries or expenses. For example, you may want to cut down on dining out and entertainment expenses, cancel your cable subscription, or reduce your wardrobe by buying more affordable clothing options. You may also want to consider using low-interest loans or credit to pay off existing debts and reducing one's workforce during leaner times by working fewer hours per week or taking paid leave. Another key strategy for surviving a recession is to reduce one's workforce by working fewer hours per week or taking paid leave when possible. This can help businesses control costs and save money while still allowing them to maintain the same volume of work output. There is no one-size-fits-all strategy for surviving a recession, as each individual situation will be unique and influenced by a variety of factors. However, by following these general tips and adapting them to your personal circumstances, you can minimize the negative impact that a recession can have on your finances and overall well-being. What comes after a recession ends? After a recession ends, there may still be lingering effects that you need to deal with. For example, if you were laid off or experienced reduced hours at work during the recession, you may have lost some of your income and savings. This can make it more difficult to pay your bills or put money away for future expenses, such as retirement or education in the next few years. However, if you focus on how best to move forward from here and adjust your financial habits accordingly, you do not have to cripple your finances or prevent you from moving forward with your goals. Instead of treating a recession as an insurmountable challenge, use it as an opportunity to reassess and reevaluate your current financial situation. This can help you discover ways to improve your overall financial health and plan accordingly for the future, whether it includes saving more money, paying off debt, or investing in other meaningful long-term goals. By staying focused on what's important, you will be better equipped to withstand any economic downturns that may come your way in the future.